never turn to the dark side. You failed, Your Highness. I am a Jedi, like my father before me. No, you're coming with me. I'll not leave you here. I've got to save you.